Thank you, man. What are we doing today?
We are jumping out of an airplane.
Excellent.
50 years old, first time.
All right, well, happy birthday.
50, 60, 70, and 80.
There you go. How you feeling about it?
Good.
Excited?
Looking forward to it, absolutely.
All right, man. That's what I like to hear. All right, looks like we're getting ready to go. Anything last words before you have to say?
Bye.
Bye. There you go.
No.
All right, man. We'll have a good time.
Thank you.
And we'll see you soon, all right? About halfway there, man. How you feeling?
Loving it.
All right, you ready to go?
Absolutely.
All right, man. We'll have a good time. We're going to see you soon, all right?
All right, great.
Enjoy. Hey, welcome back.
Hello.
Hey, how was that?
Oh man, that was so cool.
Let's go again. Looked like you had a good time.
Oh my God, it was great.
Thanks, my guys. Smile for a picture, huh?
Thank you.
Excellent.